This Sweetz Allulose is my absolute favorite sugar replacement. It's about 70 to 80% of Swedish sugar, depending on what you put it in. This is the 5-pound bag. I started buying the 3 1-pound bags. This is just slightly cheaper per ounce. So we just stock up and refill our sugar container from this. It comes with a 1-ounce scoop, 29.6 cc's. But we actually primarily use our half tablespoon measure, and I'll just measure out about a half tablespoon, maybe 2 scoops sometimes, and put it in my coffee. I put it in my husband's smoothies. I use it to make caramel. It has a very sugar-like consistency. It's granulated, so you can use it just like you would any other sugar. I found that it does have a somewhat lower melting point, so when I'm making caramel I have to keep an eye on it a little more, but it's been really great for making baked goods.